That's our single, our buffer. It is bigger, heavier, it has a longer handle than your average buffer. It's a 220 volt buffer, not a 110. We designed our buffer to do subfloor prep. So the machine itself is 45 kilos, that's 90 pounds itself. That plate is another 40 pounds, you can pass it around if you want to. And you can add an extra weight, it's a water tank, which is another 40, 45 pounds. That's why the machine is so heavy, so big, that's why it's 220 volts. You can still sand with it, you can buff in your oil. It comes with a stand-up plate. Stand-up plate, you can put sanding discs on there, double-sided sanding discs, pads, screens. You can go soft and hard plate. But as I said, the milling tool, that's an option. We're gonna demo it. There's different heads for that milling tool. There's two removal tools. That is a green removal tool. That is a gentle version. It's to be used on concrete and plywoods to remove tile adhesive, wood floor adhesive, carpet backing, felt back, whatever there is. The black one is more aggressive. It has 3 cutting blades instead of 1. And then we have a red sanding tool that's to sand concrete to make it porous for an install. So if they pour new concrete, the light particles, they float on top and they usually prevent or they cause adhesion issues, and in order to sand that off, that's what the red segments are. Everything inside, they're all hardened steel gears. You can obviously hook up your vacuum right away. The biggest difference is the weight and the power of the motor, the torque of the motor. There's a water weight. You can put water or sand inside, whatever is available. Usually water is easier. And you just put it on top. It goes on top. The handle can be adjusted however you want it. And the entire motor is sealed, so nothing can get inside, especially if you sand concrete. Concrete dust is a lot finer than sanding dust or sawdust.